If you're still using spreadsheets for business planning, you're wasting time, making costly mistakes, and slowing down growth. There is a much better and smarter way. Today, I'll show you why IBM Planning Analytics, formerly known as TM1, is the future of planning. Now stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why top businesses are ditching spreadsheets for IBM Planning Analytics and why you should too. Before we get started, here's what we'll cover today. This video is split into 4 parts. We'll first look at why Excel is slowing you down, followed by how IBM Planning Analytics solves your biggest planning problems, before analyzing the real-world benefits of switching to IBM Planning Analytics. Lastly, we'll discuss how to get started with IBM Planning Analytics today. Now let's dive in. Before we continue, if you want to learn how to optimize your business planning with the best analytics tools, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We help you break down complex IT solutions into simple, actionable insights. We all know Excel is great for quick calculations. Well, the only problem is that when it comes to enterprise planning, forecasting, and collaboration, that's where things start to fall apart. The first issue is slow performance. Large Excel files crash, freeze, and take forever to update. The second issue is that there's no real-time collaboration. With teams working on different versions, it leads to plenty of mistakes. When it comes to manual consolidation, combining spreadsheets from multiple teams wastes time and increases chances of errors. The problem of not having a what-if analysis is that you can't test different business scenarios efficiently in Excel. Does this sound familiar? Well, there is a solution, and that's IBM Planning Analytics. IBM Planning Analytics takes everything you wish Excel could do and makes it a reality. Lightning-fast performance. IBM Planning Analytics uses a 64-bit in-memory engine, making calculations instant. Real-time collaboration allows multiple users to work on the same data at the same time. Automated data consolidation means no more copy-pasting or manual updates. IBM Planning Analytics' powerful what-if analysis allows users to easily test different scenarios and see the impact instantly. IBM Planning Analytics isn't just a tool, it's a business transformation engine. Now, let's talk about what happens after companies make the switch to IBM Planning Analytics. Finance teams are able to automate budgeting and forecasting, reducing prep and reconciliation time by up to 15%. Operations and supply chains can improve demand forecasting, cutting waste and costs. Retail and e-commerce leverages real-time sales data for better pricing and inventory management. These aren't just features, they are real business results. IBM Planning Analytics allows you to move beyond static spreadsheets to a system that adapts, scales, and grows with your business. So how can you start using IBM Planning Analytics in your business? Here's what to do next. First, identify where Excel is slowing you down. Next, watch IBM Planning Analytics in action with a customized walkthrough. You can work with experts like us, ITLink, to integrate IBM Planning Analytics into your environment seamlessly. Lastly, get hands-on training to maximize the value of IBM Planning Analytics. If you want to know how to connect IBM Planning Analytics to Power BI, check out this next video. And if you're ready to upgrade from spreadsheets to IBM Planning Analytics, contact ITLink today. I'll catch you in the next video.